I'll be happy to answer.
So one thing is that like I received some frequent queries is that like the most transition that is happening, right? Like there are two type of people. Either they are a college students who are interested in the field, or there are
Right.
people who are working in some other IT part, and they want to transition. They want to make a transition to data science and machine learning. So
Right.
do you have any specific advice for those people who are in the field of like who are already working as like software engineer, who are already working as something like so, and they want to test engineer, and they want to make a transition into the field of data science and machine learning, they as like
Right.
working parallelly. So is there any specific advice that you have on that?
Yeah. So as we have covered in the past, I mean, like first thing, the way of thought processes does really matter, is what I believe. So you're a
Okay.
problem solver. You want to be creative. You want to work patiently and enjoy the fruits. If you have that kind of mindset, then definitely go for analytical selling, problem solving. This matters to
Yeah.
lot. Then you can go for it.
Hmm.
Second thing is, again, if you are in a software engineering domain, especially a lot of domains are like sister domains of data science. You
Yeah.
say BI, you say data warehousing, or
Yeah.
you say cloud. So these all people have seen the data background basically.
Hmm.
So these are the people who are very closest to the field. It
Yeah.
is easy.
Hmm.
Even if you are a test engineer, see, this is the age to learn. So you can go and learn new skill, that doesn't
Yeah.
matter. So my advice for that kind of people is, first of all, take a decision whether you want this field or not. In a mind, I mean, you'll be doing it for next 10 years. You don't want to
Yeah.
do crapping. I mean,
Yeah.
you shouldn't regret. We all
Yeah.
see one lady saying that I joined data analyst post, this
Yeah.
happened, that
Yeah.
happened. It
Yeah.
was a trending thing.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
mean,
Yeah.
I don't have anything comments on the post, but definitely I never regretted my job.
Yeah.
So even you shouldn't regret your job. So decide, and after you decide, be strong, perseverant. I mean, we have covered all the resources topic, moves topic.
Hmm.
Just
Hmm.
follow them. One thing is like, don't resign the job, I would suggest that, because
Okay.
I've seen few people saying I'll do resign job and learn. No.
Hmm.
If data science, you predict it as 8 months preparation, prepare 4 months while doing the job, then you get
Yeah.
confidence. Go on notice period, learn 2 more months, and
Yeah.
then finally jump out of the ship.
Yeah, yeah.
So I would
And give
recommend this.
interviews. Like
Yes.
you should also give interviews. You should not be afraid of giving interviews. At least you will know that where you lack.
Where you lack. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So that I would suggest basically. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think